As a global leader in small form factor computer technology, Shuttle always seems to be expanding their portfolio of products. Shuttle has unveiled an Intel Gemini Lake-based fanless XPC Slim DL10J, which is more geared towards for business use cases like digital signage and multi-display solutions. To meet the diverse applications of Internet of Things, the DL10J offers 4G/LTE network support via M.2 2230 expansion slot. Powered by Intel Gemini Lake Celeron J4005 processor, the DL10J is capable of supporting 4K/UHD content with Intel integrated graphics GPU engine, makes this model ideal for digital signage applications. At a body thickness of just 43 mm, the new DL10J is equipped with a vast array of connectivity for a wide range of commercial uses. It features built-in Gigabit LAN, 2 COM ports, 4 native 2.0, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1, an optional 4G/LTE SIM card adapter. In terms of storage, there is SATA 6G, M.2 interfaces. Triple displays are provided by HDMI, DisplayPort and D-sub outputs. Plus, the VESA mount complaint makes the DL10J fully integrate into diverse and space-critical environments. With Shuttle's 24/7 certified non-stop operation and exclusive heat pipe cooling design, the DL10J is built to meet the demands for continuous and energy-efficient operation. Aim at business and commercial market, this XPC Slim DL10J owns a host of features, making it a perfect entry-level solution for business applications such as office desktop, kiosk, digital signage, and many more.